10 most luxurious hotels in the world. 1. Burj Al Arab Jumeirah, Dubai, UAE. The Burj Al Arab Jumeirah, often dubbed the world's most luxurious hotel, stands on its own artificial island. Its sail-shaped structure is an iconic symbol of modern Dubai. Guests enjoy access to a private beach and a fleet of Rolls-Royce vehicles. 2. The Ritz-Carlton, Hong Kong. The Ritz-Carlton, Hong Kong, is one of the world's highest hotels. It offers breathtaking views of Victoria Harbour and the city skyline. Rooms are elegantly designed with state-of-the-art amenities. 3. Four Seasons Hotel George V, Paris, France. Located just off the Champs-Élysées, the Four Seasons Hotel George V epitomizes Parisian elegance. The hotel boasts opulent rooms adorned with antique furnishings and tapestries. Guests can enjoy a tranquil courtyard and a world-class spa. 4. Aman Tokyo, Japan. Aman Tokyo offers a serene retreat amidst the bustling cityscape. The minimalist design incorporates traditional Japanese aesthetics. The hotel features a tranquil spa with a large Japanese bath. 5. The Plaza Hotel, New York City, USA. Situated at 5th Avenue in Central Park South, the Plaza Hotel is a New York landmark. Its grand architecture and lavish interiors exude timeless luxury. Rooms and suites are furnished with elegant decor and modern amenities. 6. Emirates Palace, Abu Dhabi, UAE. Emirates Palace showcases Arabian opulence with its grand design and lavish interiors. The hotel features over 300 rooms and suites, each exuding luxury. Guests can enjoy a private beach, marina, and lush gardens. 7. The Peninsula Shanghai, China. Overlooking the Bund and Huangpu River, the Peninsula Shanghai blends Art Deco elegance with modern luxury. The hotel offers a rooftop bar with stunning city views. The peninsula's fleet of Rolls-Royce limousines enhances the luxury experience. 8. Mandarin Oriental, Bangkok, Thailand. Nestled along the Chao Phraya River, the Mandarin Oriental Bangkok is a haven of tranquility. The hotel combines traditional Thai design with contemporary elegance. Rooms and suites offer river or garden views with luxurious furnishings. 9. The St. Regis Bali Resort, Indonesia. Located in Nusa Dua, the St. Regis Bali Resort offers beachfront luxury with Balinese charm. Villas and suites feature private pools and direct beach access. The resort boasts lush gardens and a swimmable lagoon. 10. The Savoy, London, UK. Situated on the Strand, the Savoy is an iconic hotel with a rich history. Its Edwardian and Art Deco design elements exude timeless elegance. The hotel features renowned restaurants, including Gordon Ramsay's Savoy Grill.